Hey, today we're going to talk about French subject pronouns and everything you need to know about them. So why are subject pronouns important? Well, we use them daily. They determine the number and gender of a group or an individual. And in French, they are critical to verb conjugation. So what are the subject pronouns? In English, we have I, you, he, she, and one for singular. In plural, we have we, you all, and them. In French, those become je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, and elle. Remember that in French, we have different gender associations. So for the plural, il and elle, if it is a group that has at least one man in it, it will be il. If it is an entirely female group, it will be elle. Pay close attention to tu and vous. They both mean you in a singular sense, but one denotes a little bit more respect. That would be the vous form. So I recommend, as you learn French, focusing on learning that vous form. It's actually easier to conjugate in the vous form also, because they always end in a. If you focus on using vous, you won't have to worry about offending somebody by being too informal with them. Alright, so now that you know the subject pronouns, the next step is to learn the verb conjugations that go along with them. So why don't you check out this video on verb basics and then follow it up with the videos on the verb groups in the French language.